Are you looking for a way to connect your new iPhone to your C6 Corvette stock radio? It's one of the worst things that you can do to Corvette is actually to replace the radio. When you replace the radio, you actually are risking of disabling many features that come with the Corvette, and also reduce the future resale value of the car. So it's best that if you do not replace the Corvette stock system and instead use this My Gadget to play your music from your iPhone right through your Corvette stock system. Let me show you how. And you do not need to replace the head unit. You can keep it exactly the way you can keep everything stock, but you'll be able to integrate your new iPhone with the system. My transmitter, go to Pandora, iHeartRadio, or whichever music app that you want to use, and play. I choose acoustic so you can actually hear the sound quality. The sound quality is CD-like quality, unlike any other transmitter, which is muffled with statics and a lot of noise. This one is 100% clean, no static, no distortion. You can control the volume, but ideally you want to set this to 80% and just use the card. So your radio is still functional. You can still go to other radio stations. You try My Gadget out. This gadget is designed to work with your Corvette C6 radio, so that way you can play all your iPhone music through your stock navigation system or stock radio without navigation, without having to do any upgrade or replace the stock radio system.
Plug it in and it's working. And you can switch it really easy with just one click on your phone. Amazing. Awesome job, Wesley.
What would the music be without sounds?
Young Bows.
And there you have it. This is an amazing product for any kind of music guy. Anyone who loves music, wants to use their phone and hook right into it. And it works amazing. I mean,
this delivers what it promises, believe me. GizmoGadgets.com, you can get him. I want to thank the guy who invented this. I paid $90 and I do not regret spending the money. So thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. All right, guys. Have fun. Enjoy your Corvette.
Hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Click the link below to find out more or to make a purchase of my product. I guarantee you will be very happy with it, or you can get your money back. Thank you. So you get this device from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, GizmoGuyGadgets.com. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.
God bless you all. Buy the product and enjoy it. Have a good one.